Next one, modify toolbar is over. Modify toolbar is over. Next one is the dimensional toolbar. Next one is the dimensional toolbar. Dimensional toolbar. By using this toolbar, by using dimensional toolbar, by using dimensional toolbar, by using dimensional toolbar, we can assign dimensions to the, we can assign dimensions, we can assign dimensions to the existing drawings. Assign dimensions to the existing drawings. Assign dimensions to the existing drawings. Okay. Now see here. First one is the quick dimension. Next one is the linear. Next one is the align. Now these three are simple things, similar operations, but different applications. Now first I am going to design one line. Again one more line. Again one vertical line. Again one inclined line here. Again one more inclined line. One more horizontal. Again one more vertical line. Okay. For explanation of the dimension tools purpose, for explanation of these tools purpose, first I am going to design the geometries. First one is the what? Quick dimension. Just again. First one is the quick dimension. Command is qdim. First one is the quick dimension. Command is qdim. qdim. Quick dimension. Command is qdim. qdim. Okay. Command is qdim. Quick dimension. Okay. Now see here. What is the use of the quick dimension? Just I am going to select this one. Then select the quick dimension. Enter qdim. qdim. Enter. Select geometry to dimension. Select the geometry. Now I am going to assign dimensions for this line. Now I am going to assign dimensions to the this line. For that purpose I am going to select this one. Enter. Specify the dimensional lines location. Specify the dimensional line location. Just I am going to specify in this location. Okay. Then again you can see one more time. Dimension. Select the quick dimension. Select object to be dimension. Select this one. Enter. Specify the location of dimensional line. Specify the location of dimensional line. Now see here. This is the dimensional line. Now 72.25 is the dimensional text. Now this horizontal line is the dimensional line. Now this one and this side vertical lines are known as a extension lines. Dimensional extension lines. Okay. Now just write down this one. Just wait. Now we can see what is the use of the quick dimension. Again select the quick dimension. Now this time I am going to select this object. Enter. Again I am going to move in this direction. Specify the dimensional line location. Specify location of the dimensional line. Now what happened? Quick dimension gives entire length of the object. Quick dimension gives entire length of the object. Now my requirement is, now we can display the length between this ending point to this point. Now see here. Again I am going to design one thing here. Just I am going to design one line here. Now I am going to apply the quick dimension. What happened? Quick dimension gives entire length of the object in the format of linear, in the format of horizontal or vertical only. Now see here. Dimension. Select the quick dimension. Now I am going to select this one. Enter. Now what happened? Quick dimension gives entire length of the selected object. Again the what format? Linear format. It may be horizontal or vertical only. Then again see here. Again dimension, quick dimension. Now this time I am going to select this object. Enter. Any location. This location or this location. Okay. Then again next my requirement is, again you can specify the dimension between this sending point to this point. Okay, this sending point to this point. Now how to design the dimension? How to design that dimension? Okay, how to design dimension between this endpoint to this point? For that purpose, we can use linear dimension. For that purpose, we can use linear dimension. First, write down these procedures. First, quick dimension procedure. QDIM, enter. Select object, enter. Specify the location of the dimension line. Specify the location of the dimensional line. That's it. Simple thing. Okay. Specify the location of the dimensional line. Specify the location of the dimensional line. Okay, now see, now I am going to delete these dimensions directly. Okay, select and delete. Now next my requirement is, now I am going to design dimension between this endpoint to this endpoint. Now for that purpose I am going to select the linear. Linear means you can design linear dimensions, nothing but horizontal dimensions and vertical dimensions only. Okay, select the linear. Command is DLI, linear. Second one is the linear. Command is DLI, linear, DLI. Okay, again one more command, dim linear. That is a large text, DIMLINER. Again you can use DLI, dim linear. Now see here, linear dimension. Select the first point of the line. Again select the second location point of the dimension. Then specify the location of the dimensional line. Specify the location of the dimensional line. Okay, now see here, now again linear. Now my requirement is this endpoint to this endpoint. Again this endpoint to this endpoint. What happened? Okay, again next dimension linear, this endpoint to this endpoint. What happened here? Linear dimension is nothing but it gives only horizontal and vertical dimensions only. Okay, now see here, now I am going to choose this one. Now this is what type of line? Inclined line. Line is the inclined line. Again, how to design inclined line dimensions? How to design? Now for example, first I am going to select the quick dimension. Quick dimension gives entire length of the object in the format of linear. Again select this one, enter. Again I am going to move in this direction. What happened? This is nothing but horizontal distance between these two endpoints. Now 45.7 is not length of the line. It is nothing but horizontal distance between the endpoints. Again dimension, select the quick dimension, select the object. Again I am going to move in this direction. What happened? This is the 17.73 is the vertical distance between endpoints of the line. Now my requirement is we can design length of the inclined lines. For that purpose you can use align dimension. Again you can see, now again dimension. Now I am going to choose the linear. Now again I am going to find out this point to this ending point, inclined distance. Now in this format, distance, but I am going to select this point to this point. What happened? It gives either vertical value or horizontal value only. Now how to find out the inclined length of the lines? By using aligned option. First write down linear, DLI, enter, select first point, next select second point, specify the location of the dimensional line. Specify the location of the dimensional line. Okay, That is about the linear dimension. Then now see here, now I am going to delete these two first. Now again I am going to design one more inclined line. Okay. Now next my requirement is, again you can display the, again you can design, we can assign length of the inclined lines. Now see here, for that purpose you can use, command as a align dimension. Command is DAL. Next third one is the aligned. Command is DAL. Command is DAL. Command is DAL. Okay. Now simple thing, select the align dimension, select the first point, select the second point. What happened this time? Length of the inclined length of the lines. Next, align dimension, select first point, then again select the second point. Okay. That is about the length of the inclined lines. Okay. Then again I am going to find out this point to this point, this point to this point, inclined distance. Dimension, select the align this point to this point. Okay. That is the use of the align dimension. Just write down. DAL, enter, select first point. 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 Select second point. Specify the location of the dimension line. Specify the location of the dimensional line. Okay, just I am going to delete. Okay. Then next one. Now radius, diameter, angular. First you can see these three. Now I am going to design one circle, one more circle. I am going to design one arc, one more arc. Then again two inclined lines for angle purpose. Again you can design one more arc. Okay. Now simple thing. First you can write down the radius. Command is DRA. Radius. Command is DRA. Command is DRA. Command is DRA. Okay. Now see here. DRA, enter. Select the geometry. Specify the location for. Specify the location of the dimensional line. Again DRA. Select the geometry. Specify the location of the dimensional line. Next. Same thing. You can select same thing also. Again specify the location of the dimensional line. Okay. Then next, again you can represent arcs also. Again dimension, select the radius. Again see here, radius representation. Okay. Again dimension, radius. Again this is the representation of the radius. Okay. Just try. DRA, enter. Select the geometry. Specify the location of the dimensional line. 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 Okay. Then just Next one is the diameter. Next one is the diameter. Command is DDA. Diameter command is DDA. Diameter command is DDI. Command is DDI. Command is DDI. Diameter command is DDI. Same thing, select this one. Same thing here. Select the circle. Now see here, the pi symbol represent. Now the symbol represent diameter. Again I am going to assign the radius. The R represent radius value. Okay. Then again select the dimension, diameter. Select for this arc. Same thing. Okay. Now dimension, diameter. Select the circle. Okay. That is about the diameter. Just start the process. DDI enter. DDI command is DDI. DDI enter. Select the geometry. Select the geometry. Specify the location of the dimension line. Specify the location of the dimension line. Now we can see one setting here. Now we can see one setting. Now what is the text size? It may be some default value. It may be some default value. Now if the text style is very small, again how to change the text style, text height style. For that purpose, format, go to dimensional style, modify. Okay, select text option. Now what is the text height currently? 2.5. Now I am going to change this to 5. Just okay, set current, close. Okay na? Now how to change that one? For changing height of the text, for changing height of the dimensional text, go to format, select the dimension style. Later I will explain entire thing of this one, entire this dimension style manager. Up to now we can change the dimensional. Up to now we can change the height of the dimensions. This is the method. Text, select the height, again changes to 2.5. Okay, set current, close. That is it. అన్నిటికీ అప్లై. కొన్ని చేంజ్ అంటే మళ్ళీ ప్రాసెస్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా, అవి మళ్ళీ అక్కడ వస్తాయి. అప్పుడు డిఫరెంట్ స్టైల్స్ డిజైన్ చేయాలి. అగైన్ ఏ స్టైల్ కింద నువ్వు డైమెన్షన్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తావు ఆ స్టైల్ మళ్ళీ చేంజ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ నేను just I am going to design all the dimensions by using standard styles. By using
standard style మళ్ళీ మనం అంటే డిజైన్ అంటే ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు
that is depend upon your requirement. Okay, again your dimensions having some colors and everything. At that time first you can design the style, then after you can design the components. Okay, ఆ స్టైల్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకుని దాన్ని సెట్ కరెంట్లో సెట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, then you can start the design. At the time of explanation of this one I will explain that one. Okay, then next one, what is the next one? Radius is over, diameter is over. Next one is the angular. Just I am going to design 2 lines. Again I am going to design one arc. Now see here, just write down for changing text style node, for changing dimensional text height, for changing dimensional text height, select a format, dimension style, select a format, dimension style, modify, select a text, specify the text height as per the requirement, specify the text height as per the requirement, Okay, set current. Okay, set current close. That's it. Okay. Now next one is the angular. Command is DAN. Command is DAN. Now these commands are very simple. D for dimension. Again you can see the first two letters. Linear, DLI. Again aligned, DAL. Again arc length, DAR. Again ordinate, DOR command. Radius, DRA. Next jogged, DJO. Next one diameter, DDI. Next angular, DDA. Command is DAN. Okay, just angular. Command is DAN, or otherwise you can directly select from the pull down menu. Okay, DAN, enter, select the first object, second object, specify the location for the angular line. Now see here. Okay, then again now this is the arc. Again you can specify the angle of the arc, include angle of the arc. Now dimension, arc length, angular, select the arc, specify the location. Again what is the arc angle? Include angle equal to 61 degrees. Now this is the center point of this arc. With respect to this center point, this is the include side, including angle equal to 64 degrees. Again dimension, select the angular, again select this one. Again I am going to move outside. Again this is what angle? 299 is the exclude angle, outer side angle. That is nothing but total angle. Total angle equal to 299 plus 61, 360 degrees. Total angle in the circle equal to 360. Same thing here. Include means with respect to arc. Again exclude means opposite to the arc angle, existing arc angle. Okay, that is about the angle. Just write DAN, select objects, for arc purpose you can select only arc. For linear, for designing lines purpose you can select first line and second line as per the requirement. Okay, next specify the location for dimensional line. 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 Okay, next one. Now angle is okay, diameter over. Next write down first one, arc length. Now this is one arc. Now I am going to find out the length of the arc. What is the manual process? What is the manual process of arc length? Just I am going to design one arc length. Okay, just I am going to design one arc. Now I am going to find out length of this arc. Again this is nothing but what angle? Theta is the include angle. Again this is the radius, some r. Again how to find out arc length? Arc length equal to r into theta. Again you can substitute angle in the format of radians. 360 degrees equal to 2 pi radians. Same thing, 180 means pi. Again some r equal to some 20. So okay, r equal to 10. Theta equal to 180 degrees. Now this is the degree format. Again 10 into pi. Pi equal to 180 degrees. Again what is the pi value? 3.14. So arc length equal to 31.4. That is nothing but this length value. Okay, just add on this one. Same thing. Enter the command as a DAR, or otherwise choose from the pull down. Again select the arc length, select the circle. Again specify the location for dimension. What is the length? 97.68. That's it. DAR enter. DAR enter. DAR enter. Select the select object. Specify the location for dimensional. Specify the location for dimensional. Okay, now
మెయిన్ మనం చేసేది
ordinate dimension. Next one is the ordinate dimension. Command is DOR. DOR, ordinate OR, first two letters. Okay, DOR. Now see here, what is the use of the ordinate dimension? Now this is my UCS, coordinate system icon. Again I am going to find out the ordinate values, nothing but x value and y value. And now I am going to design one rectangle here. Okay, now I am going to find out the x value and y value of this point. Okay, any point, just you can select the point only. Now for that purpose, dimension, select the ordinate. Now I am going to select this endpoint. Now I am going to move what direction? I am going to move what direction? Vertical direction. Vertical direction gives
y value.
x value. Okay, now this is nothing but x value here. Just I am going to cut the what axis? Just I am going to cut x axis. I can see here graph paper 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Just I am going to move this one. Again what happened? This is nothing but x value. Again you can cut this one. This is the y value. Okay, then again next same thing, dimension, ordinate, select the same endpoint. Again you can move in this direction. Now this is the y ordinate, this is the x ordinate. Okay, just try it. DOJ enter, select point, specify the dimension line location. Now you can specify the location, vertical direction means x value. You can specify the location, horizontal direction means y value. Now see here, dimension, select the ordinate. After selecting the point, I am going to specify direction. This is the what direction? Vertical direction. Vertical direction means x value. Then again select the point. Again this is the what direction? Horizontal direction. Horizontal means y value. Okay, that is about the ordinate dimension. Okay, ordinate means with respect to origin, dimensions. Then again I am going to design one circle. Now see here, next one is the jogger. Command is DJO. Jogger dimension. Command is DJO. And again you can see what is the use of this one. What is the use of the radius and this one. Okay, if my design is very clumsy, okay, clumsy with different types of circles, at that time direct I am going to use the radius. Now first one, okay, then again next dimension, radius, again this one. Okay, next dimension, same thing. Now this is the format here. Okay, again what happened here? Actually this is the center point. Again you can see extra dimensions, extra, all are the This is the extra line. Again extra line. Again extra. Again this is the extra line. By using jogger dimension, you can prepare the dimensions with respect to center point. Okay, now see here. Small difference only. Jogger, select the circle first, then you can select the center point. Then you can select the center point here. Then specify the location of the dimension line. What happened? Dimension with respect to center point. Okay. Okay. That is about the job. Again you can assign the symbol also here in this format of symbols. Entire thing depend upon the angles. Again what is the happen here? There is the linear one. Again you can change the angle here. Simple thing. TJY enter, select the circle, next select the center point, specify the location for job. That's all. Next one. Now linear over, angle, everything is over. Then next, now see here. Now I am going to design one circle here. Again I am going to place the center mark of circular arcs. Now is there any center point mark representation? Nothing will be present here. Now I am going to display, just enable the center point of these circles and arcs. For that purpose you can select center mark, select the circle. Again you can next same thing. Again you can represent one center mark representation. Okay, just type. Command is DCE. Center mark. DCE, enter, select the circle. That's it. DCE, enter, select the circle or arcs, anything. Select circle or arcs. That's it. Okay, that is about the center mark. Then again see here. Now I am going to design one rectangle. Again I am going to design one line here. Okay. First I am going to assign one linear dimension. Linear between this endpoint to this endpoint. Again one more linear dimension between this point to this point. Okay. Again next command is dimensional space. By using dimensional space we can change the spacing between two dimensional lines. By using dimensional space we can change the spacing between two dimensional lines. So dimension, select the dimensional space. Command is dim space. Now select the first one, then again select the second one, enter, specify the dimensional value. Now I am going to specify dimensional value 15. Again what happened? You can increase the spacing between the two dimensional lines 15. Again which line to be moved? Again in this example, which line to be moved here? Now this line move with respect to this line. Y means this is the first selection, this is the second selection. Now see here, Ctrl J. Again dimensional space. Now this is the first selection, this is the second selection, enter. Now I am going to specify value equal to 5. Now 40.65 line move 5 units from 20.33. Y means this is the first selection, this is the second selection. Then next dimensional space. Now this time this is my first selection, second selection, enter. Now specify the value 10. Again what happened? Again 20.33 line moving with respect to 40.65. Okay, that is about the dimensional space. Dimension space. Dimensional space. Command is dim space. DIMSPACE. Command is dim space. Okay. Select first dimension line. Next, select second dimension line. Select second dimension line. Enter. 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 Specify the scale value, nothing but spacing value. Specify the spacing value, dimensional space value. Specify the scale or dimensional space or dimensional spacing value, anything. Okay, enter. That's it. That is about the dimensional space. Now see here, one more thing. Again I am going to design one more dimension line here. Now see here. Now dimension, select linear, this point to this point. Okay, again dimension, select linear, this point to this point. Okay, just you can place outside. Again sometimes see here, first one, second one, text size is very high, just wait. Just I am going to design one rectangle, linear with respect to this one and this one. Now this is the dimensional line. Then again you can design one more one, linear with respect to this one to this one. Again what happened here? Both the dimension lines are intersecting. Both the dimension lines intersecting. Again according to drawing dimensional standards, we cannot represent in the format of intersecting. You must and should always specify some breaking here. You must and should specify breaking here. Again, you can represent in this format according to drawing standard. This is the wrong representation. At that time, you can apply the dimensional break. Select the first one. Select the second one. Now it's one okay. Okay. Simple thing. Again the first selected line, breaking with respect to second one. First selection, second selection. Okay, now it's clear. That is about the dimensional break. Command is dim break. Command is dim break. Command is dim break. Dim break, enter. Dim break, enter. Dim break, enter. Select the first dimension line. Next select the second dimension line and select the second dimension line. That's it. That is about the dimensional break. Next you can see the baseline dimension. You can see baseline dimension. Baseline dimension. Command is baseline command dimension. Now see here. Now I am going to design one design in this format. Okay. Now First I am going to design one linear dimension between endpoints. Then next I am going to create the dimensions of each part with respect to single base point. Now see here. First one. Now this is my base point. Now this start point is my base point. Again next. What happened? We can design all the dimensions of the component with respect to single base point. Okay. Again next one is the continue dimension. For same example. Now see here. Continue means with respect to baseline, means with respect to base point. All the dimensions with respect to base point. Again continue means with respect to previous point. First I am going to design linear between two endpoints. Then select the continue dimension. What happened here? This is the continue dimensions. Base dimension, continue dimension. First write on this one. Command DBA. Same thing. D for dimension. First two letters. BA. DBA. Okay. Now see here. Now I am going to design in this format. Okay. Then select the dimension. Select the first you can specify one linear dimension between endpoints. Okay. Then next dimension, select the baseline dimension. Then you can select the points. First one, second one, then next. That's it. Enough. Okay. That is the baseline dimensions. DBA enter. We start on the process. DBA enter. First design linear dimension between endpoints. Design linear dimension between endpoints. Then DBA enter. Select the remaining points one by one. Okay. That is about the baseline dimension. Just you can take that. Example. Next one is the continue dimensions. Continue means we can create the dimension with respect to endpoints. Now see here. Just apply Ctrl J for same design purpose. Okay. Again same thing. First design one linear dimension between endpoints. Then next select the dimension. Continue. Select the points. Again see here. Next point. Then again next. Then again next one. Okay. That's it. Again what happened here? Overlapping. Nothing but overlapping here. For that purpose you can apply the dimensional space. Okay. Again for this 81 and 24.69. So dimension, select the dimensional space. This one, enter. Specify the value some 25. Okay, 25 is very high. Just you can change some value. That's it. That is about the continue dimension. DC1. First design linear dimension between endpoints. First design linear dimension between endpoints. Next DCO enter. DCO enter, DCO enter, select next points one by one, select next points one by one. Okay, that is about the continue dimensions. Just write down oblique first, oblique, oblique, command is dimedit, command is dimedit. By using this command, definition, command is dimedit, command is dimedit, edit, dimedit. By using this command, we can change the orientation of the dimensional extension lines. We can change the orientation of the dimensional extension lines. We can change the orientation of the dimensional extension lines. We can change the orientation of the dimensional extension lines. Okay, that's it. Next one, see here. First I am going to design one line. Now dimension linear, this point to this point. Now this is the dimension line, these two are the extension lines. Now by using oblique, we can change the orientation of the dimensional extension lines. Now we can enter command as a dimedit. Now see here, oblique is one of the internal command of the dimedit. Oblique is one of the internal command of the dimedit. Then you can select the oblique, or otherwise directly select from pull down oblique, select the dimension line, enter, specify the orientation angle 70 degrees. What happened? Just you can change the orientation. Okay, just add. Select oblique, next select the dimension line, enter, select the dimension line, enter, specify the oblique angle, enter. That's it, simple thing. Next, see here. Next one is the dimension align text. Next one, align text. Again, align text having different types of internal options: home, angle, left, center, right. Next, align text. Command is the same thing, dimedit. Again, home, angle, left, center, right. All are the internal commands of the dimedit. Again, oblique also internal command of the dimedit. Okay, again you can see what is the use of the align text. By using align text, we can change the orientation of the dimensional text. Now see here. Now first I am going to select the right option. Align text, right. Select the dimension line. What happened? My text aligned to right side of the dimension line. Then next, dimension, align text, select the left, select this one. What happened? Text align with respect to left direction. Again next, dimension, align text, center, select this one, center location. Then next, align text, select the angle select the dimension line, specify the angle for the dimensional text 45 degrees, enter. Okay, again last one is the home, previous one, select this one, enter. That's it, all operations. Now you can write angle, angle is enough for remaining. Align text, angle, align text, arrow mark, angle, select the dimension line, align text, angle, select the dimension line, specify the angle value, specify the angle value, enter. That's it. Again remaining are simple. Left means just you can select the dimension line, the text orientation taking to left side. Again you can write down home option also, home, align text, home, align text, home, select dimension line, enter, select dimension line, enter. That's it. Okay, that is about the align text, oblique. Then tomorrow I will explain the remaining things. Okay, again multi-ladder, tolerance and inspection, joggle linear, these four are the balance. Okay, just I am closing here.